What I love about this program is it allows buyers that we work with that didn't necessarily think that they could purchase a home, now they're able to. And they're able to with a much lower payment.
It just enables us to get into a clientele that we normally may have not been able to get into.
Kind of the apprehension that we had, like this is too good to be true, but it really does work.
The Realtor Network is just kind of something that we started here at Habitat when we opened up our loan program to buy on the open market. We found that more and more of our homeowners were working directly with real estate agents, and our goal was to partner with them in a way that our homeowners could be successful.
When we heard about the open market, we're like, okay, what's the catch? And we're finding out that it isn't a catch.
My client actually approached me about it and said, you know what, let me do some research on it. And sure enough, it was perfect for what she was doing, and actually a lot of first-time home buyers, it fits exactly what they need.
The best part about our product is that it's a 30-year fixed-rate loan with an interest rate that's in line with the best current market rates, regardless of what the credit score is. In addition to that, we offer affordable housing subsidies so that they will be able to get that affordable mortgage. When you combine all of those things, we absolutely have, a product that you can't get anywhere else.
They have competitive rates. So a lot of times you feel that the rates are going to be significantly higher if there's more risk with the client. Well, in this case, it's not that way.
We were talking about interest rates that were much lower than the market. There was no mortgage insurance that was attached to it.
So most of our first-time home buyers come in nervous and thinking perhaps that they aren't going to qualify. Some of them do right out of the gate and some of them don't. Those folks that don't, we've got a lot of tools in place to eventually get them to the point of successful. Whichever the situation is, we're ready to kind of take those home buyers and stick with them throughout the process.
They were there every step of the way and past even the sale of the property.
Sit through one of our classes and learn about our product. I mean, that's really the platform to success with Habitat is the educational piece, and I encourage all the agents to start there.
And I think that's the best thing we can do is be the most educated on programs out there that are available for clients.
It's either a solution that they might have not had or just a better solution.
I have somebody right now that is approved and she's ecstatic. She was approved with a different lender and she was approved for $150,000. With House for Habitat, she's approved for $230,000 with a lower payment. So we're screaming to the mountaintops to tell everybody about the program. It's wonderful.
9 out of 10 closings, people are crying. And I just feel like that's really impactful when you're changing somebody's life like that. But I've been doing this 20 years, and I don't feel like I affected people the way that I do here at Habitat.